And I'm going to start you out at the beach because, look, it's Tampa. It's wintertime. And, yeah, we've got the white stuff to shovel out there. Beautiful afternoon out there. Whatever you're doing for tonight, it's nice and dry. And I got to be honest with you, it actually will feel very comfortable as well, too. So we'll be generally down in the 60s for all of those plans that you heard Josh just tell you about for tonight. It'll be dry. Don't have any worries about that, so bring just a light sweater along with you. And we've got a busy weekend coming up as well, too. Look at this forecast. A lot like what we've seen today, what we saw yesterday. Same thing for Saturday, same thing for Sunday. Lots of sunshine. Temperatures up near 80 each afternoon and lows in the upper 50s to low 60s. This is about as good as it gets, guys. Let's get over to the computer. Let's talk about the current temps around the area right now. Warming up, 79 in Brandon, 78 in Tampa. But, you know, we're going to get some spots that get to the 80s. Most areas, in fact, away from the water, will be about 80 to 82 today. It's 78 in Tarpon Springs, 74 in Clearwater. Seminole did get to 80. Shouldn't get too much warmer than that, but we may see another degree out of it. 80 right now in Sun City Center. Plant City is at 81. We've got 79 in Lakeland and Wesley Chapel and 76 in Newport Richey. Sarasota, we're still looking good, 78 degrees. We're going to stay real nice all through the afternoon and evening hours. The wind has shifted a little. Instead of northeast, it's out of the east, but still some gusts. I mean, Tampa gusting to 18, 21 in Lakeland, 21 in Sarasota. It's just breezy. It's actually a little less than what we saw yesterday, but it's still a nice breeze. Now, that easterly wind's coming in off the ocean, and you can see the moisture that's picking up in the form of clouds, and so those will come in our direction. They're already here, especially east of I-75. So we'll go partly cloudy for the rest of the afternoon, but no rain expected out of those, and they will thin very quickly as we get towards sunset for tonight. Here's the forecast for 5:30. There's some of those clouds coming across. Watch how they just kind of thin out and move out. Tomorrow morning, we'll start with just an isolated cloud, mostly sunny skies, dry conditions, upper 50s to low 60s, the upper 50s, Hernando and Citrus County. And then again, we'll see a few more clouds throughout the day on your Saturday afternoon. Now let's go to Sunday. This is Saturday night, Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon right there. More of the same. Winds will turn a little more towards the north and the west in the afternoon on our Sunday, but still looking at temperatures upper 70s to near 80 degrees. So nice. All right, here's the next 12 hours. 80 to 82 this afternoon, 60s for tonight, well, 70s into the 60s for this evening, so we'll be getting cooler. Boating forecast today, east winds at 10 to 15 knots, so 2 to 3 footers, and we do have a small craft exercise caution advisory out there. Water temperature about 71 degrees. That's actually really comfortable for this time of the year. Water looks good here. You get down off of Bradenton Beach. I hate to say it, and point southward, there's quite a bit of red tide in the water, so keep that in mind. The winds should stay through Saturday offshore. So beach plans with the airborne toxins for red tide, most of that will blow out over the Gulf, so the beaches will be okay. We'll have to watch Sunday afternoon as that wind comes back in out of the north and the west. Here are the temps for tomorrow morning. Saturday starting off 58 in Brooksville, 59 in Dade City, 63 in Tampa, 61 in Sarasota and Bradenton, 62 in Mulberry. So very comfortable. This is very similar to what we had this morning. That's very similar to what we're going to see today. And that'll be basically the same on Sunday as well. Again, the only thing to watch on Sunday is instead of that easterly wind, it'll be more of a northwesterly wind late in the afternoon. There's your weekend one more time. Mostly sunny skies. When you look at these numbers, keep in mind 76 is where we should be for a daytime high. And the morning lows on average are about 57 to 58 degrees. So everything's running just a little bit above normal. There are some cooling trends in the distant forecast. I've been kind of keeping an eye on this. This is this weekend, of course. All of next week warm, low 80s. But notice Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we're starting to shift some cooler air in the eastern half of the United States. And I especially think towards the middle of the month, like 12th, 13th, 14th, we're going to see some of that cooler air. Now, there is a weak front coming, and that's what's cooling us off at the end of next week. Leading up to that Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll start to get a little bit more humidity. So by the middle of next week, you'll feel the humidity. But through Monday, at least, it's going to feel very, very comfortable out there. So there's the 7-day forecast. You can see it looks really, really nice. Notice no rain chances. Sunday afternoon, there is a small chance for a shower well north of Citrus County. I don't think we'll get anything there. I'll keep an eye on it, but most areas will stay dry all the way through the next 7 to almost 10 days. That is a picture-perfect forecast. It really is. Guys, don't forget you can get our forecast on the radio. 105.5 The Dove, 107.3 The Eagle, Magic 94.9, and 106.9 WSRQ.